मैं तो देखो, मैं अभी हम लोग स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट होने के पहले मैं और विशाल कुछ दो शब्द एक दूसरे को कहे हैं, दो शब्द मतलब कुछ खराब दो शब्द नहीं कहे हैं, एक दूसरे को बोले कि मैं तो बोलता हूँ दिस इंग्लैंड टीम डज नॉट इवन डिजर्व टू गो टू द क्वार्टर फाइनल्स, एंड विशाल आर्ग्यूड कि ऐसा कैसे, ऐसा क्यों?
हाँ, so let's pick this up.
Before you do, it is very rich coming from you, Shriyas.
What coming from me? क्या चीज?
It's very rich.
रिच
तू जो
मतलब
टीम को सपोर्ट करता है ऐसे तो तुम नहीं बोलना
भाई,
चाहिए।
मैं अपनी टीम को तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बेल्जियम तो यहाँ पहुंचनी ही नहीं चाहिए, मैं पहले से बोल रहा हूँ।
To leave also. So.
Yeah, I guess.
But Shriyas, let's coming to back to your point. Why do you think England doesn't deserve to go ahead in this match?
So my point is very much clear. Although you are getting a favorable result, but till 92 minutes you guys were actually not getting that result.
Okay.
You guys are pathetic. England is pathetic. Under and Southgate वाले England तो it's I don't मतलब शब्द नहीं है यार इनको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए। ऐसे में this team which deserves jack shit will went on and फिर ऐसे में जीत भी जाएगी ये टीम।
Okay.
That's
anything else anybody wants to add before I counter?
I think the England way of football is harmful to the eyes, harmful to children. It's toxic, it's poisonous, it's horrible. The players can't do what they want to do. I think they try, but I think like I was reading, someone was saying like it's not only that Gareth Southgate does not know tactical football at all, but it's also that FA has been keeping him for such a long time. So it's both of them to blame. Can't say much about the players. Some players have been crap, some players have been decent, but yeah, I also again do support the agenda of England should not go forward because it's just horrible plain football. People don't deserve it at all. And as much as we watch PL and you know one of the biggest leagues in the world or whatever the fuck it is, but England, yeah, they don't deserve it. मतलब
anyways, you know, like the worst thing is कि हम अभी ये स्ट्रीम कर रहे होते, like logically and ideally हम लोगों को ये डिस्कशन होना ही नहीं चाहिए था because it's England versus Slovakia. They should have been comfortably winning it 2-3-0.
Yeah.
Right? That is what the ideal thing when you see this squad on paper, on field, barring Southgate, right? तो आप ये सब देखते हो तो you think कि ये डिस्कशन आज होना ही नहीं चाहिए था कि you know ये ऐसे हो रहा है, ये इतने पास आए, they have been exposed almost for the majority क्या यार 99% of the game. They were exposed. They were running out of plan. They were not having any plan B. Squad selection, in-game tactics, player management वगैरह आप जो बोलना चाहो सब बोल सकते हो, right? तो ये एक सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है. I think कि we like England fans should not be happy with this result. Like great, they have shown this mentality, that this ideology, but this does not work ahead, right? They have to do better because I just can't believe it. कि the impact, like I used to not being a player myself, but I still used to think कि impact of a coach on a team इतना नहीं हो सकता यार. But now it's clearly evident कि यही same team, यही सारे players have been banging in their clubs, respective clubs. और इंग्लैंड में आते ही सब ऐसे बन जाते कि भैया क्या करें, साइड पास FC बन जाते हैं आधे टाइम तो they're just passing sideways.
हम पे तो है ही नो,
long ball FC,
हम पे तो है ही नो,
लॉन्ग बॉल FC चालू हो जाती है, you know, and then sometimes, you know, games like this needs, I think, individual brilliance, which Jude Bellingham did like show at the end. उसको भी मतलब रियल में जाकर ना वो गंदी आदत लग गई है यार कि एंड में आकर एक गोल मारने वाली, right? But he was very, like I think I should say this, he was horrible throughout the game.
Jude
Bellingham, of course. He was very annoying.
But all the kids now watching the game will be like, oh my god, Jude just got a goal. He's so amazing. Real Madrid.
He was falling down so much. He's become Bellingham. Jude Bellingham. Yeah, but
okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay. First of all, disclaimer. Anybody who knows anything about me knows that I hate Southgate to my absolute guts. And this is not now, this is 8 years back, is at least 6 years back. From World Cup 2018, I have been hating Southgate all over. That disclaimer out of the way. First, to counter the easiest of points. That is Shrihars saying that England doesn't deserve to go forward because they were not winning till 99th और 92nd मिनट. भाई ऐसे तो मैड्रिड की लेगेसी छोड़ दो, मैड्रिड की पूरी लेगेसी डिलीट कर दो तुम. वैसे तो ऑल्सो श्रीहर्ष वीडियो पे नहीं है तो मेरे को बोलने में मजा नहीं आ रहा. श्रीहर्ष आजा.
अरे बोलती आ गई,
क्या लिखा है?
he's hiding his face or something.
इंग्लैंड डिजर्व्स नथिंग। अरे भाई
हाँ, इतना महंगा।
उसमें इंग्लैंड करके रियल मैड्रिड लगा दो, अगर तुमको ये बोलना है कि 92nd मिनट
सर इंग्लैंड तो छोड़िए, रियल मैड्रिड से मत कंपेयर करिए सर। रियल मैड्रिड की टीम, आप मजाक कर रहे हैं क्या?
तो योर पॉइंट, आई एम कमिंग पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट। योर पॉइंट वाज, योर सिंपल पॉइंट वाज कि इंग्लैंड हैजंट डन एनीथिंग टिल 92nd मिनट, तो इसीलिए नहीं करना चाहिए। सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि दैट इज द एंटायर पॉइंट कि फुटबॉल इसीलिए 90 मिनट का नहीं होता, 90 प्लस एक्स्ट्रा टाइम होता है। तब गोल मारा है, अभी भी गोल मारा है हैरी केन ने, इंग्लैंड जीत रही है। नंबर 1। नंबर 2, द एंटायर पॉइंट ऑफ इंडिया, इंग्लैंड not playing well at all or whatever it is, after half time you and everybody has said कि स्लोवाकिया कुछ नहीं ट्राई करी, इंग्लैंड तब से भारी पड़ रही है। राइस has hit the post once, Harry Kane has shit the bed quite a few number of times. England has been attacking non-stop from second half. So
Yeah.
for all the problems that I have with Southgate, second half में इंग्लैंड ने जैसे आया है, इंग्लैंड ने जैसे अटैक किया है, I completely disagree that England were out of the game.
सर
the
आप
game is-
लिटरली
Football is not of just 45 minutes. Also, if by that logic, I just want to just expose this, like, you know, थोड़ा खोल, exploit, sorry, would be the better word. Chelsea versus United, वो जो गेम में आखिरी मिनट में हुआ था, तो do you guys agree, the Chelsea fans here, that you did not deserve to win that game?
we won by quite a lot of goal, I guess. 4-3 or 3-4. What was 4-3, 4-2? What was that?
अरे 4-2, 4-3 हो, you were losing the game till the very end.
भाई साहब, आप अगर इंटायरिटी देखेंगे, आप एक सीजन फुटबॉल को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं एक
मैच
इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल से। नहीं, एक मैच की बात नहीं। नो
It's not about international club. Your logic here
एक मैच की बात
was,
हो रही है where you
yeah.
said कि इंग्लैंड ये
It's
मैच
so
मेरा-
unfortunate.
मेरा
It's so
problem-
unfortunate. I am defending England.
मेरा
It's so
प्रॉब्लम
unfortunate.
गैरेथ साउथगेट है, दैट्स इट।
वो तो पूरी दुनिया का
हाँ नहीं,
वो
वो
सबका है।
वो सबका प्रॉब्लम, बट दिस टीम डज नॉट डिजर्व टू गो अहेड, दैट्स इट। दे डिजर्व जैक शिट।
This team
They
doesn't
jack
deserve
shit.
to go ahead from this match. Why? Because they have performed.
See, they have performed when their backs was against the wall, विशाल भाई। फटी थी जब फटी तब आपने खेलना शुरू किया, तो फटने का वेट करेंगे पहले कि पहले फटा फिर खेले हम जाके।
Again. Not all big teams win every time. So it's Italy versus. Very sorry, Mithul, to put.
Please.
to-
भाई मैं तो इंडिया का मैच देखने गया था गाइस. I was watching India versus South Africa.
Italy versus Switzerland. Italy was supposed to win. In that group of France, Netherlands, Austria was not supposed to top the group. Football is a game of upsets. अगर हर big team जीती तो क्यों देखना है मैच? मत देखो, सारी big team ही जीत जाएगी. The entire point of watching it is some upset might happen, and that upset was happening. But ultimately, England is getting the result as of now. So there is no question of England doesn't deserve to win. They did
सर
not cheat here.
आप
They
ना,
did not cheat
हाँ नहीं,
here.
बोल लीजिए आप।
They did not cheat here. They did not score a fluke goal. They have been trying non-stop entire 45 minutes. So if a goal actually does come from a brilliant shot from Jude Bellingham, nonetheless,
They did even score a goal before that. That was ruled out.
that
So
was
it's
a
not
ruled
like
out.
yeah.
There was one ruled out goal from Foden. There was a shot on post. There was multiple chances. So after that, if one goes in, if two goes in, I don't think you can say that that's undeserving. At least in this particular match.
I think we should reframe it by saying they might not deserve winning Euros,
Yeah.
but not being here,
15%.
not being here is very, I think, wrong statement. It's very sad कि मुझे as a, you know, Italy England hater उसको, you know, like support करना पड़ रहा है. But yeah, I think कि game is a game. It's not a one half. The game is of full.
Yeah, I
you know,
mean, it's
until
just
the
that we
whistle.
don't like England at all. So I guess like we it's just that the thing that I think the coach takes over so much of the team. Like he's such an integral part of the team. It's not like it's not the same in every country. It's not the same where the coach is also a kind of a very known big star. मतलब कोई and the players are overshining him. There are players who obviously do overshine Southgate, but Southgate is also such a big media personality. Like everyone talks about him, everyone shits about him. So I think the hate is also because of constant social media that we don't like him. We don't like his football anyway. So I think people who don't support England will go on.
Yeah, I think hate is common.
We
I think instead of talking about this, we should be talking about the squad selection. जो
Yeah.
भी उसने players
that's
चलाए
correct.
खिलाए.
Correct.
I'm so annoyed. Like Mainu was playing so good. बंदा बाहर चले जाता है. And Trippier अच्छा ठीक है, he's injured. ट्रिपियर का पामर लाते हो as he is coming in front of Mainu. I was not like मैं सोचना चाह रहा था कि ये लाइनअप बन कैसा रहा है. What is happening? Fullback उसको पीछे बना दिया. Like it was very
Ian
confusing.
Wright is right now laughing at everybody.
Yeah.
Ian Wright, for anybody who hasn't read that report, Ian Wright said that Cole Palmer should be played in the starting 11, and for that, if Saka has to give his place up, he can be played as left back because he has the experience. इसके ऊपर everybody, including Paul Scholes, including Arsenal fans, including non-Arsenal fans, everybody trolled Ian Wright. Everybody trolled Arsenal to a good extent.
Yeah.
But that's I think Southgate.
I think we should.
Southgate didn't get any tactics, so he's like, ये Ian Wright ने बोला अच्छा ही होगा, कुछ try कर लेते हैं.
I kind of hate this team, and I also feel sad for the players, you know, like who have been benched, who are not even getting 1 minute. I'm not saying they don't deserve to start.
How on the last game of group stages, Anthony Gordon was brought on for 5 minutes, and he was so good in that 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and he still isn't on the pitch. I don't know why.